Yeah, I've got 5 Salesforce applications. They're all legit, right? It seems legit, right? And you don't want to, from a maturity modeling perspective, if you look at the 4 that's on there, you are aware of what's happening, or it's scoped or even governed. None of those things matter because the world changes. Tomorrow, someone else is going to deploy another application in there, or this application gets an update, or Microsoft changes something on an API perspective, and now all of a sudden this application gets different permissions. You need to practice some form of continuity when it comes to looking at all of these things. So 5 questions. 5 questions. So things that you can actually do today. Inventory, right? We always start with inventory, right? And now we're scoping the inventory. We're not saying all applications. How many apps hold application permissions right now? Because the delegated stuff is fairly okay, Nick. Reasonably okay.
How would you know?
Yeah. And then which ones can read or write? Not just a mail or that directory. It's not just about mail. Weirdly enough, these slides look like they were written for Exchange people, Nick, because they only reference mail.
Yes,
how many of these applications? Hey, are you enjoying yourself today, Nick?
I'm loving it. We start with application permissions. You think, well, what is an application permission when everything is in graph?
It's that look of utter dismay on your face, Nick. And I don't know if it was dismay or just a sugar high that you have right now. But, the other thing is those ownerless. Again, send your ownerless apps to Nick and Al. We'll take care of them. We will absolutely take care of them, right? Access review, when last? Did you look at this? And this is more around, did you ever perform an access review on any of the applications that live in your environment, right? And then the last one, from a consent perspective as a regular user.